hope you are doing well. Guys, today I'm here to present a reliable and unbiased bold sparkle reviews. So guys, stay tuned with me. After my reviews gets over, you will surely get to know whether the product is a legit or a scam. So guys, one thing for all of you, if you ever been fraud over any of the product, watch the video till the end. You will surely get to know how to get back your money. So guys, it's a win-win situation. Watch the video till the end and do like and subscribe to our channel. So guys, want to say goodbye to stubborn toilet stains, or are you tense with the dirty and never going toilet stains and wanted to have some hygienic product for removing them? In all the three cases, just explore Bold Sparkle, as the product claims to be a perfect solution for your problem. And it says that it is a foaming powder cleaning product that returns the sparkle back to your toilet bowl. It dissolves stubborn rust, calcium, lime scale even below the waterline, while eliminating odor and deodorizes with fresh scent. And it is safe to use with Spectex system, and each pack contains enough bold sparkle powder for 6 uses. So guys, as per the research, if we talk about product lifeline till yet, it is 7 months old and guarantees cleaning. So guys, now let us talk about the product specification and product cons and its pros. So when we talk about the product specification, the one of the specification is that it is a powerful foaming action. So yes, it is a powerful foaming action with innovative cleaning package specifically formulated to remove stubborn rust stains and accumulated in the toilet bowl. And it is versatile. It is made up of magic foam particles. The cleaning powder immediately foams when it encounters water. Plus, it uses Spectex system that is all around powerful cleaning, removing hidden stains, lime scale and rust. And guys, when we talk about the product pros, it is an ultimate toilet cleaner. It uses the power of foam to break down hard stains and leave your toilet bowl pristine and white, just like when you bought it. It is powerful foaming action, uses citric acid, baking soda, active oxygen and deep cleansing. When we talk about its versatility, it is an excellent toilet cleaner. It is great for cleansing your floors, drains, sinks, washing machine of all kind of pipe, tiles and other difficult to clean places. So guys, yes, before going ahead, do like, share this video with your friends, as it will motivate us to perform better, and do subscribe our channel so that we will give you more informative and knowledgeable videos like this. So guys, now let us check out the legitimacy points of the product. So guys, as per the research, the product is 7 months old. The customers are actually good enough and they're very happy with the product. They says that yes, product is great enough and easily removes the stains and hard stains of the toilet bowl and gives the clean and white as it is a new one. So you can easily bind trust on the product as per the customer reviews. The Google ratings are quite good enough to say that it can be a trusted one, but it depends upon customers to customers, as some gives the negative reviews but majority gives the positive reviews about the product. They say that it works and cleans the stains while removing the fragrance. The product also has marked its presence on YouTube channel, where you will going to get information about how to use the product. Product reviews are good on the homepage also. You can check it out. The customer reviews of many of the customers have given their reviews on the homepage. You can check it out. Then guys, as per our introspection and our research, we found that product is a legit one, as it proves to give you the great product, and even the customers are happy about the product. They are saying that they are using it product from various months, and even the customers are saying that product is giving them 90-day guarantee, and it is easy and fast to use as per the users. So guys, Google ratings and social media presence is there, especially on the YouTube. You're going to find every information about the product, and customer reviews are also there. So we can recommend you the product. You can use it and you can buy it as per your convenience, and before buying, check it out its worthiness and reviews and then order it. So guys, you can get back your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thoughts about this video, as guys, we read all your videos again and again. We won't leave any of the videos. So keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel today, as we will give you all the informative and knowledgeable information about the different products, so that it can help you out in making your choice. So guys, yes, be informed and be safe. Make a wise decision before buying. Thank you so much guys, and have a nice day ahead.